Hey everyone, just wanted to give you guys status on the meat birds. They are about a couple weeks away from being butchered, and these are some of the birds that are eating now in the one mobile tractor that we move every few days to put them on fresh grass. There's some over there if the camera clears up. So this is the first cage that they're in, and then we'll go over to the second cage. I don't know if this is really giving you guys a good shot. So let's move over to the second cage. So this is the second cage, and we don't really mow too much in this area to make sure that they have a lot of grass. But here's the second cage, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys can see. I hope this is coming in clear. But anyway, I just wanted to give you a quick update on how the meat birds are doing. So again, they will be butchered in about a little over 2 weeks. So that's it. If you're interested in seeing how the meat birds look week by week, check out the playlist Raising Meat Birds, and I do a weekly summary of the meat birds, how they look, how they're progressing, how they're growing. And then I also, within that series, is also videos on how to gut and butcher the chickens, as well as for those of you who eat gizzards, show you how to clean the gizzards. And for those of you who like chicken feet, there's also instructions on how to process the chicken feet. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video.